Hey everybody, Kevin here with ConvertLabs. I'm going to walk you through our new quoting system. So here in the menu, you'll see quotes, and you'll also be able to add a new quote directly from the dashboard. But when you click on a quote, here you can enter in the client's first name, last name, email. They'll be sent, or they could be sent an email to accept the quotes, and then phone number. We'll use this to send them a text message reminder that they've been sent an email. And then you can add their address here, and then description and amount. You can say 5 hours of cleaning, let's just put 220, and then you can also add additional items as well. And then you can add some notes here. These notes will be sent to the customer and the team. From here, you can save this quote, so it's just on your list. You can add this to the calendar, and then you can schedule some teams to this quote. And you can also send this quote to the client. When you send the quote to the client, this is what the email will look like. It'll have your logo on here. It will have the quote details as well as the notes, and then they can click on accept quote. And when they do that, they'll go to this thank you page here. So a couple other things that you can do here on this quoting list page is you can see if a quote has been accepted or not. And again, you don't have to send out that email if you don't want them to accept the quotes. You can edit your quote. You can duplicate this quote. You can manually accept this quote. So if you don't want to send them an email, maybe they confirmed over the phone, you could just manually accept this. You can also resend that email if you haven't already, and then you can also add it to the calendar. You can also delete the quote if you want. A couple other things, if the quote has been accepted, you can create an invoice from this quote, and this will add all of these quote details to your invoice page. And then from there, you can email that invoice to your customer so that they can pay for that invoice during any time, either before or after. It doesn't really matter. And you can also see if that invoice has been paid here as well. And then if you click on one of these customers here, you'll be able to see invoices that have been generated, and then as well as quotes that have been created and their statuses as well. And you can also see if it's been added to the calendar, and if so, you'll see it on your calendar, as well as being able to select a team to that particular job from that quote. So let me know if you have any other questions. That's pretty much the gist of what we have so far for the quotes. If you have any questions, let us know in chat or send us an email, hello@convertlabs.io, and we'll get back to you. Thanks a lot, and we hope you all enjoy this new quote feature.